Now we see more example about Countif. Countif I will use. I want to count number of students who got more than 20. So select the range, comma, who got more than 20, double quotes. Always condition should be double quotes. Complete it. We can get 4 students got more than 20. So 22 1, 27 second, and this is 3, this is 4. So this way I can do it. Next one, count the number of students who got 30. I will say count if again, and I will check the range. I'll arrange this. There is another method, whether you can give equal to 30 or otherwise the some cell have the value, then select the cell. That is enough. You can see how many students, only one student got it. So another method, here the same. Those who got, I think nobody got 30, here also nobody got 30. Suppose I will change here 30, then it will become 30, or otherwise I'll make 3, so it will become 30 here. So if I make the change, then I can do the changes here. So D9, so I can do the D9 if I give, then I can do it. So otherwise I can give like this. So another method is what I can do Countif. I'll select the range, then I can give those who are equal to 30. This is also another method. Another method 30. Nobody is 30. Suppose if I change 30, then it becomes 1. So it becomes 3, again it becomes 0. So count the number of students who got less than or equal to 15. So what I do, Countif, what I do is I'll find the range, comma, condition. What is condition? Less than or equal to. So less than or equal to 15. This is what my condition. So what can I do? 3. Less than 15, 1. And where is the other one? Equal to 15, 2. And then next is this is 3. So this method I will do it. Another one. Count the number of male students. Same. Count if I'll give. Then what I do? Male is which column here? Comma. I can select where is the values. This is one method. Otherwise, same. Countif. I'll select the range. Comma. I can give double quotes what? Male. No case sensitive. You can give any capital letters or lower letters. No problem. This is also same. Same thing. Female. So go here. Countif. Give it here. Select the range. Comma. Give the value. Now, number of BTech students are in the list. Here, BTech students. So, give here. Again, Countif. Automatically select Countif. Select here the values. Comma. BTech, where is the value here? Select this one. How many students? 3. 1, 2, 3. So, now we can go here. Again, we will do it same. Countif. So here also I will select. Now what student? Diploma students. So comma, select diploma. So this example, the more Countif if you do, you become familiar about that particular thing. Even numbers or even some characters, how to find using the Countif.